Welcome to another edition of Talking with Tony with Extreme Fitness Junkies. Hey everyone, glad you're here today. Really good, quick video I have today. Feeling sluggish? Try one of these energy foods to boost your power. I'm going to talk about oats, bananas, water, nut butter, and eggs. Those foods will boost your sluggishness. They'll give you actually some energy. There's nothing, like feeling like you're blah, especially over the holidays, feeling tired, feeling sick, eating a bunch of crap, I call it. It can be especially frustrating when you have things to do, places to be. It may be tempting to grab a caffeinated drink, right? I got my coffee here. But, it's not your only option. Food can fuel your body and reduce hunger as long as you pick the right foods. So, today I want to talk about oats. Oats are energy boosting. Incorporate those in your breakfast, pre-workouts, post-workouts. They provide that steady source of energy. They also contain soluble fiber, which will help you use the bathroom, lower cholesterol, vitamins, minerals, antioxidants. Plus, oats can be fancy. And you guys all know from my shorts, I pair oats with like raspberries, strawberries. I dress them up. Nut butter, protein powder, dried fresh fruit. Next, bananas. Bananas, like most carb-containing foods, are an easy source of accessible energy. Have you ever noticed after like 5Ks or marathons, they have a lot of bananas out there for people? Well, bananas will give you that extra boost of energy. They're great on their own, especially with a little like nut butter. You like to dress them up, but be careful with calorie counts. Second, water. Plain water contains no calories, as we know. It's a direct source of energy for you. However, your daily water intake does not affect your energy levels as needed. So your sugar must be really high in order for you to feel like sluggish. That's one of the components. But water will flush out your toxins in all the bodies. So if you haven't had a glass of cold water, I would suggest you do that. Fatigue, dehydration, huge source of water. In general, aim to drink at least half of your body weight in pounds as ounces of water. So, if you weigh 160 pounds, the recommendation is about 80 ounces of water, half of your body weight, if that makes sense. Finally, nut butter. Not too much of a fan of nut butter. If you're looking for energizing food that packs a punch, the ingredients contains calories, carbs, fiber, protein, fat, all which provide energy. There's a lot of micronutrients in nut butter. Definitely would recommend that. Offers B6, calcium, and iron. So, you can try pairing it with a different kind of food. And finally, my favorite, eggs. Eggs contain fewer carbs than mentioned foods. As a solid energy boost with eggs, you have protein in your eggs. That's because they're rich in protein, fat, which no longer take much longer to break down. So if you want like a slow release, I would go with an oatmeal or an egg, and you can spice it up. You can make an omelet, you can do egg whites. Micronutrients, eggs are so good for you. Vitamin D, B6, B12. A lot of people say, well, eggs are going to hurt my cholesterol. They're going to hurt my cholesterol. Well, you know what? Take that yellow out, take the yolk out, and have an egg white. You can also have a slice of toast with a hard-boiled egg for snacking. And that's the scoop, everybody. I have given you some foods for that sluggish holiday feeling. If you have too much carbs, you can cut the coffee, add the water. And that's XFJ's 5-minute scoop. I have water with some lemon today, which also cuts down on cravings and hunger. Hope you enjoy my clip. Subscribe, XFJ. Peace out, everybody.